First of all, what is abortion? We discussed in the class already. The term abortion usually designed the interruption of the gestation before the end of the 28th week of pregnancy, or the abortion is the termination of the pregnancy before the period of viability, which is considered to occur at 28th of. There is different etiology of abortion. It may be ovular or the fetal factor, it may be the maternal environment, it may be the parental factor, or it may be the unknown as well. There are different type of abortion. In this picture, you can clearly build a concept about different type of abortion. The first abortion is threatened abortion. Threatened abortion, slightly placental separation. You can see a slightly placental separation, slightly bleeding, membrane intact. You can see membrane अभी तक intact है इसके साथ, and orifice is closed. This is the threatened abortion. In the sign and symptoms, bleeding per vaginum, it is slight. The color is bright, and in the late second trimester, bleeding may be brisk and sharp with suggested low radiation of the placenta. The bleeding usually stops. The bleeding is usually painless. Per-abdominally gravid uterus is felt soft, enlarged, correspondingly to the period of amenorrhea. And you can see the inevitable abortion. In the inevitable abortion, it is a clinical type of abortion whether the changing have progressed to a state from where continuation of pregnancy is impossible. In the threatened abortion, slightly placental separation, slightly bleeding, membrane intact, and orifice closed. While in the inevitable abortion, in which a state from which the continuation of the pregnancy is incomplete. Placental separation, you can clearly see in the placental separation, moderate bleeding, membrane rupture, or dilated. You can see the difference between threatened abortion and inevitable abortion dilation. And incomplete abortion, fetal expelled, placenta partially separated, free bleeding, and os cervical os dilated. In this picture, you can clearly see and define the differences between the different type of abortion. And in the complete abortion, the fetus and the placenta expelled, bleeding sandy, os closed. And in the missed or in the silent abortion, you can see where the fetus is dead and retained inside the uterus for more than 4 weeks. This is the missed abortion, or this is the silent abortion.